Hey there, my name is Ludwig and I'm from the Phasio team, and you're right in this video series if you're interested about how to onboard to the Phasio platform. What does it entail? What are the steps? What kind of settings can I make on a Phasio account? Because in this video series, we're going step by step through different aspects of the Phasio platform that are all required or possible for the main setup. And this sets the foundation for other video series where we're going to use the same account and go deeper into the concepts and workflows of the Phasio platform. But you're right here if you're just keen to learn more or you're about to set up your own Phasio account. And with that being said, let's get started and take a look at creation of the Phasio account. But before I forget, if you're ever in doubt about anything or you're raving about the product, feel free to reach out to us. We're more than happy to speak to you, and I'm sure that we will be chatting soon. Thank you, and then let's get started into creation of the Phasio account.
Hey there, my name is Ludwig from Phasio, and we're here on the Phasio website to create a 14-day free trial account and to go through the setup in this video series. All right, so I will need to provide my company name, Phasio Video Series. I'll select Germany as I'm from Germany, and I'll choose the euros. Hit continue, then provide my name, provide a password, make sure that connects has these 8 characters, upper, lowercase, numbers, and symbol in order to be able to press continue. Now I'll use my email address and verify that. Send the code. Let's go in here. There we go. One-time password. Use that code and put it here into the verification. Verify my phone number, paste it in here, send the code. See that we get an email, SMS. There we go. That's 4791395. Create workspace. Awesome. That's the workspace created. And I'm going through the onboarding flow. And in here we have our step guide, automated internal quoting. What do I want to do? I want to accept also RFQs online, and I was increase production, throughput, and compliance. All of these. Okay. Then let's hit continue. And now in our starting quoting, we have set up a process and materials. Let's do with CNC, MJF. I'll just go with MJF for now. Hit create. Okay, create my first quote. Let's go ahead, send a quote. I'm just going to upload a part here. This part. Looks like I have MJF example material in here, maybe a couple more quantity. Can click here. Maybe I'll set the unit price down to 100. And then I can choose a recipient, Ludwig Handel, perfect. I'll receive an email then. And then I'll hit create and have my first quote created. And with that, I have my first quote created. I have my first process created as well. And we can always go back to the step guide in order to complete the onboarding. And if you're curious to see what are the next steps, then just stay in this video series and follow this guide.